Xrock Radio from the cabin in Crapper Creek, Alaska. How are you doing on this Tuesday morning? Chilly sky's going to get some snow. Yay, that'd be nice. Because, as long as it's snowing, it's not cold. It is November, so we got, it can't be that big of a surprise to any of us. Or as we call it now, Movember. And it's the month where it's about men's health. And you're supposed to grow facial hair for awareness of men's health issues. And who better to talk to about that than my good buddy, Dr. Tony Nimeh from the office of Fairbanks Urology and Men's Health Alaska. Tony, dude, good to have you here, man.
Thank you for having me.
Now, of course, Movember. Now, this is kind of your jam. This is what you do. Men's health is, you're the man when it comes to men's health. Prostate care, ED issue, all those issues. And men, it's got to be difficult because we're men. And we're just not, we don't open up. We're in a bit of denial when it comes to this kind of thing, are we not?
Absolutely. Most men they feel like they have to maintain this image of non-vulnerability, and they feel like they always have to be strong and not have any problems ever. But, we're human beings like everybody else, and we have issues that we have to take care of, just like you have a car and you have to change the oil. There are certain things in your health that you have to be cognizant of and take care of, so that way it doesn't come and bite you in the back.
And you guys have a number of programs and items. Like, let's talk about the contest or right now, Movember. You basically, if you grow a mustache.
And, you don't have one now and you're going to be growing one for Movember, all you have to do is take a selfie and put it on Facebook, and the person who gets the most likes on Facebook gets a cash prize.
Yeah, $450. Now, you got to post a picture and then tag at Fairbanks Urology.
Absolutely. And if you don't win, you'll still win, because anybody who posts a picture will donate $20 for prostate cancer research in their name for having taken the time of growing that mustache and posting that selfie on Facebook.
Post the photo. So for every photo, you're going to donate $20.
Absolutely.
That's fantastic. So go ahead and post one now. If you got a mustache, do it. Here's the problem. I don't have a mustache. If I wanted a mustache...
Oh, you have to grow one now.
Here's the problem, dude. Being of Swedish blood, I would have had to start this back in May to get any kind of... Otherwise, I'm going to have this little... how like 14-year-olds when they get that first mustache?
Well, you can draw...
That's what I would look like at the end of Movember.
You can draw one on your finger, put your finger on your lip.
That's exactly what I'm down to do.
There's a guy on our Facebook page who had a tattoo of a mustache on his finger, and he put it right on his upper lip, and he took that picture. So.
See, whatever. All right, so get creative. Put that photo up of you with a mustache, and remember to tag Fairbanks Urology. Now, you guys have a couple procedures and a couple things you're doing this month as well for folks, and one is the PSA screening. Tell us what that is and how that occurs.
Yeah, we wanted to raise awareness of prostate cancer screening, and prostate cancer screening is really important because if someone has prostate cancer and they catch it early, it can really be a cured disease, because it can get cured if we catch it early. So That's the whole idea of screening. And in order to raise awareness of what prostate cancer screening, we're doing free PSA blood test screening, which is the blood test that we use for prostate cancer screening. And we do that for free for anyone who makes an appointment in November.
So do that during the month of November. You'll get a free screening, and then you will phone them back so they don't have to make a return trip. Hopefully, you will phone them the results.
Absolutely. If they have if it's all normal and it's all good, and you don't have to bother coming back or anything, we can just let you know, hey, you're all good, and just do it again in a couple of years. But if there's something that needs to be talked about, then we'll invite you to talk to you about what it means and what are the next steps to make sure that you get taken care of. The thing is that if PSA is elevated, it doesn't necessarily mean you have prostate cancer. It's just it tells you that you might be at higher risk, and then there are certain things that we do to confirm whether or not you might have prostate cancer. But having an elevated PSA by itself does not mean that you have prostate cancer.
There you go. It is Movember. So guys, suck it up. Get out there. It's time to man up. Real men get screened. Let's just put it that way. Real men get screened for prostate cancer.
And the guys should do it for themselves, but they should also do it for their families.
Yes.
A lot of guys that come into the office, their wives are bringing them, their families are bringing them. They say, listen, we want you to do this for us because we care about you. We want you to be here for a long time. So, do it. If you don't want to do it for yourself, just do it for your family.
There you go. That's, of course, Dr. Tony Nimeh, Fairbanks Urology and Men's Health Alaska. You'll find them over there in Doyon Estates, right over there. You know where their office is, just off of Pegger Road. swing in and get tested. You got the PSA test for free. You can get the screening. And don't forget to post those photos on Facebook of your mustache. And remember to tag at Fairbanks Urology. Get a bunch of likes. You could win $450. And just by posting it, they're donating $20